Hey everybody, today I'm showing you an open source word clock. Now these clocks have been around for a long time. They show the time with words. It's a tiny version, it's open source, and has a bunch of modes. Also has a battery slot here that you can use to keep track of the time when you don't have a USB connection. They're all removable. So let's see how it works. To turn it on, you just have to provide the power source. That's this USB. So you have two buttons here. You have the hour button, and you can also have all these different modes. For instance, playing these types of games. Press it again, it shows the time. This is brightness, so this is pretty bright. This is the matrix mode. So I'm just changing the time. So this is the open source word clock. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com. Thanks for watching.